Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2024 Jeep Wagoneer Series II Carbide in Silver Zenith with bi-xenon HID headlamps, adaptive cruise, 22-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 22,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen display, navigation, select terrain system, QUADRA LIFT AIR SUSPENSION, second row heated seats, tri-pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, Hurricane twin turbo engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7835.